levels.
Mr. Price is a value-oriented, mostly cash, fashion and home goods retailer, and it's got a very active online platform.
Yes, they've been one of the big innovators and pushers of their online platform, and it certainly has worked well. It has a market cap of 53.6 billion rand, trades on a PE ratio of 18.9 and a dividend yield of 3.3%.
So we're looking here at Mr. Price's online platform, and I've said before, I've gone in, I nearly made the Christmas decoration purchase, and I stood back at the last minute and couldn't push the button.
Yes.
So, but I'm sure that many South Africans are actually pushing the button, as in buy.
They are, and they've invested a lot of money in that platform, very easy to use, and it's not losing money anymore. So they're actually starting to see the volumes come through. But in context of the overall group, it's still small. It's still less than 1% of group revenues goes through the online channel. So there is a lot of upside for it. They do a couple 100 million revenue through there, whereas the group's over 20 billion. So long way to go, but good experience. I think what's interesting in this investment is when we look at the charts is the re-rating the share price has had. And as Byron was correctly saying, it reflects the tough time the consumer is, as well as the direct competition that's come to market against these guys, the Cotton Ons and H&Ms and that type of thing. So it's come from a 33 price earnings to 18.9.
And there is the re-rating reflected on the television set.
Yeah, I think what will help you push that button eventually, Bronwyn, is when you go, you're working the whole week and you've got a Saturday morning off, you go to a Mr. Price, you have to fight for parking, you're waiting in a long queue to pay for your one t-shirt that costs 60 rand, there's a baby in front of you coughing all over you. Next time, you're just going to go online.
I thought I was going to be holding. Listen, I've got a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old. There are no more. I'm glad you're talking about the baby in front of you.
The baby in front of you is coughing and sneezing all over you. You're going to go online next time and buy that shirt online, rather.
All right, that scenario does sound rather scary. I think I may just opt for the online version already after you've put that on the table. So hot or not on Mr. Price?
Hot for me. Good operator, great track history. Tough time, but they'll get through it.
Byron, hot or not?
Yeah, this one doesn't often offer good buying opportunities, and it's finally looking fundamentally all right. So I think it's definitely a good buying opportunity. Hot.